Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through the brand new features in Filmora 14, the ultimate video creation tool, no matter your experience level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, Filmora 14 brings a ton of powerful, easy-to-use tools to make your videos stand out. Let's jump right in and explore what's new. But before we dive in, have you heard about Say goodbye to editing challenges with Filmora 14. When you invite more friends using the link below, you have a chance to win rewards like the DJI Action 5 Pro, enjoy a 7-day free license, and receive 300 AI credits. To get a 7-day free trial, read through and match each struggle with the creator's challenges, then click Submit to confirm your answers. Check the description for the link to participate in this activity. Now, let's dive into the amazing features of Filmora 14. AI Face Mosaic feature. To blur multiple faces in a picture, go to Effect to select Body Effect, then Face Mosaic and drag down any options of your choice. Here I apply AI Classic. Now click, then go up to Effect. You will see that all the faces have been blurred, so you can adjust the strength, feathering, or opacity. Also, you can untick to unblur any face of your choice. What a wonderful feature. AI Face Mosaic feature protect faces in videos or images automatically. Smart BGM generation. Smart BGM generation analyzes video content and adds fitting music. So to generate a fitting music for this video, click the arrow above, then select Smart BGM generation and click Start. Wait for it to generate the music, as you can minimize by clicking Hide. Filmora offers intelligent background music integration to simplify video editing. Now that it has finished generating, let's play the music. New keyframe panel in previous version. When you click your clip, and you will see the keyframe panel here, exactly. Now right-click, then select Show Keyframe Animation. Click to arrow down to see the panel, then to see the graph. Click the graph icon on the right side, scroll down to see the graph, and go up as you click your choice of animation from scale to positions. Now highlight, then right-click to apply linear or curve or easy in or out as shown. So to opt out, click the icons above or click the keyframe panel icon on the clip to minimize it as shown. What an advanced feature. Planar tracking. For planar tracking, drag down your video, click then go up to AI Tools to select planar tracking, click Advance, select High, then go to the screen to adjust. Afterward, click Play and wait for it to finish analyzing. Now drag down a clip above, then go back to planar track. First hide the track border, then click Link Element to pick the file above and preview. Planar tracking is a visual effects technique used to track flat surfaces in a video, like billboards. Multi-camera editing. For multi-camera editing, highlight your videos, then right-click to select multi-camera. Click OK, then go to the top right corner to click the icon for viewing as shown. Play the video, then insert the second clip to the scene you deem fit. Multi-camera editing. Make storytelling easier by mixing shots from different cameras so you can show every angle and create a smooth, complete story. AI Copilot 2.0. AI assistants play an essential role during editing. And with Filmora's new AI Copilot editing feature, users can ask for valuable insights about their videos. AI assistants are key in editing, and with Filmora's new AI Copilot, users can get insights on improving their videos. For instance, AI Copilot suggested adding transitions to enhance my clips. Second, Smart Scene Cut. To use the Smart Scene Cut feature, right-click, then select Smart Scene Cut after click Start, and it will start loading. Now it has been split into many scenes, so drag down as you intend to arrange and further edit on the timeline. Smart Scene Cut is a video editing technology designed to capture highlights from a video by intelligently identifying, segmenting, and extracting key moments, elements, and objects within lengthy footage. Path Curve feature. For Path Curve, click the object Go Up to apply keyframe to transform, then select Path Curve. Immediately, you will see a point at the center. So continue to move the playhead forward as you change the direction of the circle globe on the screen as shown. The keyframe path curve feature lets you adjust keyframe types to control animation speed and pacing during transitions. You can also decide to right-click on each point to apply curve, then preview. What a nice feature in Filmora. AI color palette with two videos side by side. I have the reference video I intend to copy at color. I clicked my main video, go up to color, then scroll down to tick color palette, then click add. So I moved back my playhead to the reference video, then click generate and go right to click apply as shown. Immediately it applies the effect. You can also make some adjustment to the strength and skin tone, then preview. The AI color palette feature in Wondershare Filmora 14 allows users to replicate the color grading of a reference video or photo and apply it to their own project. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.